What's going on, guys? My name is Travis. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Today's topic is SLP price prediction, and as you can see right now, the price is still consolidated in between so long. And if you look at these lines, a huge consolidation. And the main thing is that it's just trying to create a swing pattern. Look at this line, and what really happened. This is a major dump happened in SOP, and then it bounced back and forming a new green candle. Let me close these things and look at over here. Right now there is a two condition. It's forming right now. The first one is almost around 12 cent if it goes higher, and if it rejected, so we see a major downtrend in SLP, which is almost around even a more around a 6 cent. I know that a lot of people say that, Travis, what are you gonna talk about a 6 cent? How is it possible? So yeah, sometimes it's turned green and red. We see a two scenario over here, but we have to ready for every situation. So let me tell you, give you some reference regarding this one. If it goes below this level, almost around 9 cents something. If it goes below the 9 cents, so we see a major dump in SLP. And if it's stable from these 9 cents, so we see a major uptrend in SLP. And how long it's go? First of all, it to break this area, which is almost around a 12 cent. And if you guys look at over here, almost a 1 hour candle. So the 1 hour candle also showing a bullish sign over here. And if we check out the previous history of this SOP, we know that we bought almost around this level, almost around a 14 cent. I remember that day, and then it goes a little bit down and consolidate for long. And this is a major and huge resistance need to be break the first of all. And it's already broke it before, but somehow the BTC's crash it. And we see a major dump in SLP that time. But sounds crazy, and this type of correction must need to be done in SLP. And we hopefully the next rally goes higher, even more higher. And how this gonna work, just like this consolidation, and then this type of bounce happen. This is the SLP um, moving like that. Let me get into the 3 hour candle. So the 3 hour candle is giving me the big time frame, because a lot of people bought the SLP all-time high, almost around a 30 cent or even a 20 cent, even a 15 cent. So the 3 hour candle give me a more detail about these price entry. So this is just only for the starting a bull in SLP, almost around 15 cent if it broke it. So the next resistance, which is almost around this level, almost around 20 cent. And if it consolidate and then break this resistance, so we see a major uptrend in SLP. So guys, so in a 3 hour there is a 20 cent resistance. And let me get into the 4 hour candle, because 4 hour candle showing a different scenario, because this is the other entry where a lot of people's holding. And this is the entry where a lot of people are waiting for to exit. And this entry, which is almost around a 30 cent. Yeah, if the rally is goes continuously higher, so we see almost a 30 plus, and it is possible. Let me quickly get into the 1 day candle. So the 1 day candle is just forming like this, because I formed a lot of candles, but somehow it take time, because if you look at over here, this is parabolic, just like that. So this is totally a parabolic. If you see this type of chart in any other token, I really don't know, but this is a totally a parabolic swing happen in SLP. And that is the reason why I'm making a SLP video. There is no other way to think like that, because this is a crazy and I love that, and that is the reason why I'm interested in SLP right now. Let me quickly get into the weekly candle. So the weekly candle, if you look at over here, so yeah, weekly candle also showing a bullish sign over here. But it need to be goes at that level, almost around this week, almost around next month. So next month is good for SLP. We hopefully, and we know that not happen in 1 day or not happen in 3 days, something like that. And a lot of people say that if it fall down, so how deep it goes. So there is another support which is almost around this 6 cent and in 8 cent in between. So we have a very good buying opportunity in 8 cent or 6 cent something. So this is all about SLP related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe, also press the bell icon guys. Thank you very much to watching this video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye and take care.